Every day, millions of products leave China for destinations all over the world. Behind each shipment is a complex chain of suppliers, factories, inspections, and logistics. And for many businesses, this process still feels like a maze. Hi, I'm Gizem. I'm the co-founder of FortuneSix International Trade and Consulting, based in Ningbo, China, at the heart of global trade. Our mission is simple: to give businesses clarity, control, and confidence when trading with China. Because at the end of the day, trade isn't just about products. It's about people trusting each other across borders. Maybe you have a product idea, or you know exactly what you need. We take time to understand your requirements and then connect you with verified suppliers. Unlike many sourcing agents, we don't hide supplier information or add hidden costs. We also bridge the language gap, making sure nothing gets lost in translation. We believe in transparency. You see real codes from real factories, and we stay by your side to make sure your quality standards and timelines are achieved. The truth is, the hardest part starts after finding a supplier. Being here in China makes all the difference. We visit factories, meet suppliers, check production lines, carry out quality inspections. We coordinate logistics, we handle the documentation, and you stay in control, even from thousands of miles away, because we are here on the ground in China, and we are your eyes and ears. Whether you're sourcing a product for the first time, or scaling up your supply chain, or establishing your brand in China, we are here to stand by your side. I'd love to hear your story, your challenges, and your dreams, and to see how we can make trade work for you. Let's talk about your next step in trade with China.